aking topic.
Almost had him. It's just here. Oyster. I love you. It's the last one for my sector. It's very rare. It's my own chance to see it. Don't say that. Energy. Guys, fresh. This bug. So you really? Thank you. It's technically an insect. But it's to be owned. Like a caterpillar. So, caterpillars like music. Insect carnival. Spider. Today we're how about these space? Why make a leaf sandwich? I thought would you